So we got into the side-by-side industry like 2 years ago. And we bought a Turbo S, and I had no clue what I was doing with it, like absolutely no clue. And started looking up. There was a couple shops that were closer to us. We're up in Brighton, so we make like a pretty good travel to come down here. And I was looking for a shop. These guys had like, I think an exhaust or something on Facebook Marketplace, and I was like, I gotta go check this thing out. And then kind of just fell in love with the atmosphere, fell in love with the guys. And I was just like, this is the shop I need to come to and hang out. And like, then it just kind of took off from there, man. It's been 2 years of spending money and having fun. We were just out in Moab for the Red Rock Rally.
Oh, nice.
Went out there, crawled some rocks. It's kind of our forte, I guess you could say, is playing around the rocks, and the bigger the obstacle, the better. Yeah, it's like they turned us on to Penrose, and that's like one of our favorite trails to go down to. So it's like a little plot of paradise down there, if you say.
Yeah.
2020 Turbo S 4-seater. My buddy said that first taste is free, and it took us like 3 days after riding in one. We had one sitting inside our garage, and it's been trouble ever since. So TQR cage, seats, 4-inch portals, L&W suspension, so all the way through front and back. We just put some Flex Rocks radius rods on there, 37-inch tires, Valor wheels, and everything in between. Yeah, so my mom has an XP1000. We were out in Moab last year, blew up the transmission, shattered into a million pieces, so bring it over here to Brent and let him rip through the transmission and get us back on the trail again. He's the mad scientist behind all the transmissions and stuff like that, man, so bring it to him, let him do his thing, have some fun with it, get us back up there. No, I've been working with these guys for a while. They've been absolutely fantastic, so highly, highly recommend their shop. If you have no clue what you're doing, you're in good hands. If you come out here, you have no clue what you're doing, they're gonna point you in the right direction, sell you the parts that you need, get you taken care of, get you on the trail, make it so that when you're on the trail, you're not breaking down, you're just having fun.